If we talk about Kolkata, the latest now is the Nabano Abhiyan March that has been organized by a student body. The rally's organizers have insisted that this movement is going to be non-political, it's going to be non-violent, and they have squarely placed the responsibility on the police if anything goes wrong. Meanwhile, the ADG of South Bengal has warned of potential disturbances, calling the rally illegal due to no permission. Politics clearly is at its peaks as BJP leaders Shubhendu Adhikari and Shukantu Majumdar both in fact have asked people from all walks of life to come out on the streets and protest. In fact, the Trinamool Congress has even criticized the BJP party, claiming that the protest is politically motivated and the only intent being to create chaos in the city.
Paschim Bongo Chhatra Samaj, an organization which has come out of Facebook, that's what they claim, has called for a Nabano Abhiyan. That means the Secretariat March today in Bengal, and that's why Howrah and Kolkata strict security arrangements have been made. I am standing in Satragachi, and this is the point from where this Paschim Bongo Chhatra Samaj will start their rally. But we can see that huge arrangements have been made by the police, because yesterday ADG South Bengal, ADG Law and Order of Bengal, they did a press conference and they have said that they have the intelligence input that there is going to be a widespread violence and miscreants going to come from other places, and they are going to attack and they are going to create violence. That and this rally or this procession is absolutely illegal. That is what the police claim is. As you can see that barricades have been made, and there is no way that they will be allowed inside, because police claims that this entire procession which they have called, it is illegal. They have not asked for any permission. Rather, on the other hand, the Paschim Bongo Chhatra Samaj, they are saying that they don't know what are the norms, because this is the first time they have started for such a procession. Their demand is justice for Abhaya, and also their main demand is resignation of Mamata Banerjee.
Okay, let me quickly go straight to Komalika. She joins us with the very latest. Komalika, I was listening to that report. It's interesting that this organization says that they're organizing this protest for the first time, but the venue for their protest, for their agitation is very important. Why Nabano? Why have they decided to hold this protest march from the state secretariat, from where the West Bengal government operates?
He wants to march to Nabano. That's what their motto is. Nabano is the place from where the state secretariat runs. Avantika will be answering your question, but let me first show you right now the situation of Satragachi, where the protester supposed to come first. Satragachi is in Howrah, and this road which is coming, this is a Howrah road which will straight goes to, and you can see some of the protesters have already reached this place, and they are giving slogans. So this is the place from where the protest is going to start, and you can see on that side of the barricade that some of the protesters have already come. They were supposed to start it from 11 o'clock. There is the barricades have been made out here, and see, they have started the protest. Huge arrangements have been kept. Right now you can see that they are sloganing, they are giving slogans. They are saying that they feel that the West Bengal government headed by Mamata Banerjee has not been able to handle it. And now you can see that the police chief has also arrived here, the Bengal DG Rajiv Kumar, with all the senior officers out here looking into the situation, because the police is keeping no stone unturned so that no untoward incident takes place here. Water cannon, Bajra, and all sorts of security arrangement, high deployment of security has been kept here. And on the other side you can see that they have just started the protest. So according to police, they have this intelligence input where huge scale miscreants can create a law and order issue. And they have this, according to the police, this is an illegal procession. On the other hand, the Paschim Bongo Chhatra Samaj, who are just 10 days old, they have taken birth in Facebook, and they claim that that it is there, they will do a peaceful movement. That's what their claim is. Trinamool Congress is also saying that it is going to be violent, and you can see the protesters have already come in. So the BJP is saying that they are going to give moral support to them, because anybody who is an anti-government, they are going to support them. That's what the BJP stand is. The students' organization are saying that they are political. Let me also show you the Vajra and the water cannon that's their station from the morning to stop any untoward incident out here. So this is huge deployment of security in every place. You can see RAF, Robocop, combat team, all the special forces, all the senior officers are there. But the big question definitely is that these students, they will not be allowed at any cost. The students are saying that this is going to be a peaceful protest. The administration is saying that they have intelligence input, that they are going to create law and order issue. The Trinamool is saying they are going to create law and order issue. The BJP is saying that it's a democratic country and democratic state, and anybody can do the protest, and they have morally supported them. So we'll have to really wait and see that what the situation remains. But huge deployment of security. Let me also tell you, the doctors who were sitting in the protest, they are not supporting this, but they are said that they are not into this movement. But this is a political rally that's been claimed by Paschim Bongo Chhatro Samaj, and the BJP is morally supporting it, and you can see huge arrangements there. But we really have to wait and see what happens as the day proceeds. We have seen the police chief also coming here and taking stock of the situation.
Oh, absolutely. The entire area turning into a fortress with a huge deployment of security personnel, and Komalika also showing us those visuals. If I can just ask my producers to show, the backdrop. Komalika, is there a chance to speak to some of these students, this new organization that calls itself an apolitical one? Why are they holding this protest march? Why is it that they want to conduct this protest march to the state secretariat?
We'll try, as this portion is totally blocked, and you can see that this side has been fortified, and all the senior officers and all the arrangements have been made. So the students that we were speaking since yesterday, they were telling us, who are organizing it, that they demand the justice for Abhaya, and their demand is also resignation of Mamata Banerjee, because they feel that it was the responsibility of the chief minister to look after this entire thing, which he has failed, and that's why they believe that now this should actually, she should actually claim the responsibility, and she should resign. We'll see the total iron gates have been made here. We will just try to go and talk to some of them. We will just try to go and talk to some of the protesters who have come, and some of them have come here. We'll just go and talk to them.
So while you get there, Komalika, we just tell our viewers. All right, I think Komalika has got a few students. Let's listen in.
Justice ka Rajyakar.
एक मिनट.
Okay, Komalika, get there. I'll just tell our viewers about what's happening. Okay, all right.
आप लोग क्यों आए हैं?
आंदोलन करने के लिए।
आप लोग कौन हैं?
हम लोग आंदोलनकारी हैं।
क्या चाहते हैं?
हम लोग क्या चाहते थे, न्याय विचार चाहते हैं।
न्याय विचार चाहिए। आप क्यों आए हैं?
यहाँ पर जो रैली हो रहा है, जो आरजी कॉर में जो मैसेकर हुआ है, इसलिए इधर प्रोटेस्ट करने आया है हम लोग। स्टूडेंट लोग जो इधर आज जो रैली किया है, देख ही रहा है, जो इधर आरजी कॉर में जब रात को उधर गुंडा लोग उधर गुंडागर्दी किया, तब पुलिस नहीं था। आज देख रहा है इधर इतना सारा पुलिस, इतना सारा गाड़ी। कहाँ से?
आप स्टूडेंट हो?
हाँ, स्टूडेंट जो आंदोलन किया है उसका हम सपोर्टर है। स्टूडेंट होना जरूरी नहीं है, जो हम स्टूडेंट है कि नहीं है,
फादर है, हम स्टूडेंट का फादर है, हम नहीं कर सकते हैं। छात्र समाज का हो गया।
आप चाहते हो कि मुख्यमंत्री पद
रिजाइन दीजिए, मुख्यमंत्री और नहीं चाहिए। एक क्या नहीं हुआ बंगाल में।